Hello, my dear lovely friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I want to tell you a short story. Before starting, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Let's start. There was a little bird. The little bird's wings were small, so it couldn't fly very far. Other birds laughed at it. One day, the little bird said, I will fly beyond the sky. Other birds smiled and said, your wings are too small. But the little bird practiced every morning. It flapped its wings again and again. Sometimes it fell, but it never gave up. After many days, one day it flew very far. Other birds were surprised. The little bird smiled and said, my wings are small, but my dream is big.